Staycation, and we're gonna just have some fun and have a relaxing weekend, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So let's get into this vlog. We just had dinner at Dorado, that's how it's pronounced, and the food was good. So now we're at the main buffet to just grab some more food. And yeah, let's see what they have. It's after 7 a.m. in the morning, and I think I've been up probably after 6, and then I went back to sleep. But right now it's after 7, and yeah, just gonna get some breakfast, and then I do have some work to do today. So I should be by the poolside or by the beachside putting in some work for today. So that is the plan. Food last night was pretty good. We had food at the Dorado, and then we went to the main buffet, which is over the family side. So the main buffet is over the family side. So over the adult side, they do have like a few restaurants here as well. But what I am realizing is the Hibachi restaurant, which is a Zen, you know, both sides are able to book that restaurant, but the Zen is over the adult side. So I'm guessing people who is still over that side is able to come over at the hibachi restaurant. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I would have thought the hibachi would have been on the general side, at the family side, I should say. But oh well. Also, the next thing that I'm realizing is in the bath area. I'm not in the room. I'm not seeing any robes, so I need to call them to find out that. So we're supposed to get robes because this is Royalton. Then in the bathroom, there's only one soap provided, like the bar soap. They do provided the shampoo, conditioner, body wash, but I'm not seeing any added, like shower cap, those little bits of stuff that we normally get. So I'm not sure if they give it, but I would assume they would based on, the hotel chain that I'm at. So I'm gonna ask about that as well because I did bring something to cover my head, a shower cap, but right now it's torn. So yeah, so I'm gonna check with them to see if we're supposed to get any added stuff. But yeah, so far so good, except the checking area. When we were checking in, we were waiting a pretty little while, not too long, but we were waiting in the line, and then the next couple came and they started to serve that next couple, and then the couple realized that, hey, were you guys ahead? And they said yeah. And I mean, the guy, the staff, he didn't say, oh my god, I'm sorry guys, and just tell the people, yo, hold on, let me just serve these people who was before. He just said, oh, I didn't see you guys, and that was it. No apology. And I'm like, he can't be serious. He cannot be serious. But it's just becoming a trend now when you're checking in at hotels and you're in Jamaica. It's just like you're overlooked. Like, I'm just super over it right now, really. Super over it, and it's just happening too often now. When you just pick up on little stuff like the staff need to go hard for us local people as they are doing for the overseas, the foreigners, the tourists. I'm super over that type of attitude, and super over it. Apart from that, it's fine. The room was pretty good, clean, no complaints. It's just that it's very small. Like for adults only side, this room is just so basic and so small, but it's still good. It's clean. Everything works. The AC is cool as F. But besides from that, it's all good. Right now, I wish I could walk around in the resort with these stuff and keep my curls in later for dinner, but yeah, we ain't gonna be ghetto into that. We're not gonna be ghetto into that. Wait, I wonder if I cover I don't think my hat is big enough. Let me go test my hat. If I can walk with my hat and cover it and it doesn't show, that would be perfect. But I don't think my hat is big enough. Well, let's go ahead and try it. Alright, we got the hat. Yeah, the hat is a no-no. It is not gonna work at all. Yeah, so we're gonna have to pull out these. It's definitely not gonna work. Why did I think that would have worked? I'm such a lulu. Anyway, the next thing I forgot to tell you guys, when there was no welcome drinks like on the spot until one of the bellman who took our bags, he came to what he was asking and asking if we were okay and whatever, because he realized we were still standing to make it through, and then he offered us, a welcome drink. But as we walked in, and then we were there for 20 minutes or so, and there was just two people ahead of us. So I'm not sure what happened yesterday, guys, we were drinking, but just know we were overlooked, and the bell guy had to offer us welcome drink. Crazy, right? Crazy. I'm not gonna lie, these curls are giving. I'm hoping you guys can hear me. The audio is good because in the bathroom, once you turn on the light, then the air, you know, comes on as well. So you guys may not be able to like hear me properly. This is cute as hell. Yeah. God, this here is not gonna stay fucking on later. Oh, super sad. Lighting in the bathroom is so perfect though, because I have the mirror with the LED light. This is perfect. The bathroom is so tiny as well, literally. Only one person can't hold it out. Okay. Cute, right? Alright. Let's finish getting ready and head to breakfast. Yeah. Alright, so this is the full fit and we're gonna head to breakfast.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen.
Hey y'all, so it's time for dinner and today was such a long day because I had some work to do. So basically what I did today was just work, drink, work. That's literally what I did. So it is time for dinner and get ready. We have a reservation at the Hibachi restaurant. So basically all of the restaurants are reservation. You can book via the app. The only restaurant that's not, that you don't need to book is the buffet, but everything else is booked. You gotta book by the app. So just remember that. And the good thing is you can book a day in advance, 2 days in advance of the restaurant that you want. So that's like the best thing. It's gonna put on the sunlight to make up and feeling a little makeup-y tonight, and then we're gonna head out to the Hibachi. I have 30 minutes to get ready, so let's try to see if I can make that. The fan in the bathroom is making noise, so yeah, let's keep the beat rolling. We are ready for dinner, and it is the fit. I did this in a Shein also. This dress should look familiar. All right, let's head to Hibachi.
Yeah, man, alright, yeah, man. Woo! Whoop, yep, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Woo! Whoop! Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Always there for my first day. Woo! Woo! Yeah, perfect.
actually just in the room chilling for now. Hibachi, you know, it was good, no complaints at all. And then we're actually gonna head out shortly to go to the sports bar, because at 10:30 every night the DJs, you know, plays after night. So that's basically where the after party is, in the sports bar. DJ plays every night, so we're gonna check that out for tonight. But before that, we're actually gonna check out the Martini bar, because I haven't been in there yet, so I want to take you guys with me to see how the Martini bar is. Then after the Martini bar, we're gonna head to the after party. Basically, scene is there is a security within the middle that separates the adults from the general, but like it's not like strict, you know what I'm saying? Like, but anyways, we are gonna head to the Martini bar, then sports bar, and just gonna have a little nice party vibe, because we'll be leaving here pretty soon. Tomorrow is our last full day, actually here for 4 days, so yeah, the time has literally moved fast. But let's head out to the Martini bar and we'll see what happened. Let's go. Okay guys, so literally this is the Martini bar. The Martini bar is outside in the open. That is weird as hell. Hey beautiful people, so it is the next day, and it's literally late going on to 2 o'clock, and I have not had anything for morning. Had a booked meeting this morning for 11 a.m. and then it went over time, so yeah, and woke up too late for breakfast. So yeah, but anyways, gonna be finding somewhere for lunch. I'm thinking the jerk spot. The jerk spot was so good yesterday. The chicken was good. They didn't have any pork, so I'm hoping today they do have pork at the jerk house. We're gonna see. But for the plan today is, you know, our full last day, so gonna grab some lunch, sit by the pool. Definitely need to go into the beach water because the water looks so beautiful, y'all. It is so beautiful. So definitely have to hit up that as well, and we're gonna see what today takes us. I think they do have a foam party at 3 o'clock, so we're gonna definitely do that. But yeah, at this beautiful resort, definitely there's some few issues I gotta tell y'all, but we'll talk about that probably later or whatever. But yeah, so far so good. The food, no complaints with the food here, just as relates to service a bit. And yeah, but yeah, we're just gonna let's go starving, so I'll talk to you guys later.
Is there anything else you're allergic to I should be aware of?
No sir, that's it.
Sir, what's your lady name? What's your lady name again? Yum Yum? Come here. Yeah.
My check, 1, 2, 3. Everybody hearing me say yalan. Come over some more. Come over to the bar. Right? Listen, come over to the bar. Who is not getting a shot? Let me see your hands up. I'm going to need some more shot, alright? We're here for a good time and a long time.
Trouble started this. And he just started lining shots up for everybody.
Yeah, so shots never come.
Me and Chubb did. They just start lining them up for everybody.
If one don't kill us, dust to dust.
Dust to dust.
If one don't kill us, take it away. So let's take these shots and get nice up. Future family. Start to take it from the top. One more balloon. Put your balloons up. I'm still not seeing the balloons up. My lady. Hello. My lady down here. My lady. Hold on. Hello. We're gonna party, let's go! One, two. I wanna see everybody shaking it right now. We're shaking it right now. We got it ready. So when it counts to 3, I wanna see everybody jumping up. I wanna see everybody party. Let's go! 3, 2, 1, go! Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Oh, yeah.
Hey beautiful people, so we are at the beach after 6 p.m. and there's a beautiful wedding going on in the background, so let's tune in. There's a lot of people. Oh my god. Can you guys see her? y'all.
Alright guys, so it is time for our last dinner for tonight, and I am all dressed and ready to head out. I am feeling super tired, you know. The phone party was so good today. I gotta say, that was one of the best phone parties that I've been to. It definitely had a vibe, and it was good. The staff, everybody was engaging, so it was pretty cool. I know y'all saw that video. Anyways, we're heading out to the last dinner. We're actually going to do the buffet. We're going to try to get into a reservation restaurant, but if that doesn't work, it's going to be buffet, and then we're going to try to get into more nightly activities. They also have a casino, so I'm going to try to go to that tonight and leave us spend a little change. You know, look at $1, $2, $5, $10, $20. We don't know. We will see. But yeah, let's order for dinner, and yeah, let's go, guys. I'm feeling pretty tired, so you know how it is when you're on vacation, you're up and down and just relaxing, you still feel tired even when you're just lounging around all day. But let's go to dinner.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. So maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen.
Alright, so that's a wrap for the staycation. We're checking out right now. It's moving on at 11 a.m. but I gotta leave early to head back to Kingston. But had a great stay, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I definitely did not vlog a lot based on what I'm remembering. Yeah, but I'm gonna see what it looks like and put it together for you guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys watched my video all the way to the end, and I will see you in another vlog.
Atta anaya, atta anaya. I know you're gonna like it. I know you're gonna like it.
I'm stepping up,
Atta anaya,
I'm stepping up,
atta anaya. So don't you fight.